Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a quick look at how to install the Evlop Mobile App Builder on your Shopify store. Open your Shopify store dashboard. Add a new tab on your browser and go to apps.shopify.com. This is the Shopify App Store. Now search for Evlop. Among various search results, navigate and click on Evlop Mobile App Builder. Now, press Install. Accept the consent to continue. Congratulations! Evlop Mobile App installation is complete. This is where you'll see your app's layout. Right now, you're looking at the default layout that comes out of the box. And this is the launch checklist, which will guide you on major considerations for the app launch. Here on the Customize App page, you can do all the customizations that you may need for your app design. Additionally, we can see more navigation options for app management here. The Analytics page is an in-dashboard analytics for the Evlop app. This section effectively breaks down your revenue, acquisition, retention, and customer journey, so you can see the direct impact of your mobile app. The Push Notifications page is to send and schedule push notifications to all users or targeted segments. You can also analyze the performance data for each broadcast. The Features page is where you manage advanced capabilities like deep linking, intro screens, reviews, multi-language support, etc. You can enable or disable a variety of options here to customize exactly how your app functions for your customers. The Integrations page allows you to connect your app with the third-party tools you already use on Shopify. You can sync services for customer reviews, loyalty programs, and marketing automation to ensure all your store's data and functionality work seamlessly within the mobile app. The App Publishing page is where you manage the submission of your app to the App Store and Play Store. Here you can launch your initial version or push new updates to ensure your users always have the latest features and improvements. And last but not the least, manage your app's core settings on the Account page. This includes your subscription details, developer account connections for the App Store and Play Store, and Firebase configuration for notifications and analytics. Give your customers a better shopping experience on mobile. You can set up your app and preview it in real time. Install Evlop to get started.